welcome back to another video on my channel. Now in today's video, as you can see from the title, you already know it's about to be crazy. But I want to let y'all know this YouTube channel is going to be the start of a journey for my M4, a bunch of other cars, and it's going to be crazy. But let's take a look at what we got on my front porch, right? We got two lovely packages. From who, you might ask? I'm glad you asked. Take a look. Take a look. FI exhaust. Look at this beautiful package we got going on. FI exhaust. Now, you may be wondering, Mark, why do you have two FI exhaust packages at your front door? For those of you that don't know, I have a brother who has a Porsche 911 992 GT3 that he just purchased, by the way. Beautiful spec. Beautiful spec. It's loud and all. It's you know, the Porsche is a great car, beautiful car. It's an amazing car. It's an amazing car. But you know me, right? And if you know him, right? We both have M4s, at least he used to have one, right? And they're both extremely loud. So what we did was we hit up FI exhaust, you know what I'm saying, the homeland. We were like, listen, you're Asian, I'm Asian, let's work something out, right? No, seriously though, right? FI exhaust has some great exhaust. Their quality is actually top notch, top tier. I'm not just saying that because it's from the homeland, but so they got some great stuff, and you'll see in just a moment. We are going to take these packages, we're gonna take it to the shop and we're gonna do all the unboxing. We're gonna take a look at the exhaust itself, right? And then we're gonna get that Johnson installed. Right after we get that Johnson installed, oh boy. So boys, I have made it to this WSC Auto Center. This is where we're gonna install the exhaust on the GT3. Now look at the GT3. Look at this. This is my brother right here, Jen. What's good, what's good? Man? So this, look at the buckets. This is insane. We're gonna give you guys some stock revs of the GT3 right now, of what it sounds like on the lift right now. And then we're gonna show you what it sounds like after. All right, go ahead, go ahead. This is good packaging. They put the foam. Oh shit. Nah, we don't need all this, but look at this right here. What is this? Is this the headers? It's headers. Oh my god. Let me know in the comments how loud you think this is about to be. That thing is like a trombone, bro. That shit. Nah, that's crazy, bro. I can't lie. God. That shit's shining though, low key.
Shit hard, dude.
That shit hard. Okay. Fire exhaust for the win, bro. Look at the quality, though. Look at the welds. These are like crazy. I don't know how to weld, but these look pretty solid, bro. These
GT3
oh, no, you even got the 992 GT3 FI exhaust. That thing is the size of my fucking head, bro. Yo, nah, that's, bro. Is that the muffler? Wait. Nah, bro. The header, yeah. And then, yeah, that's your muffler, bro.
This is the fucking
that's your muffler right there, bro. Oh, yeah. Hella valves.
This shit's small as...
Oh, my God.
When we pull the OEM muffler off, you'll see how big it is.
No, yeah. Well, you got to compare what the OEM muffler looks like and on the new one. So, boys, we got the GT3 on the lift, and now we're going to start with the I'm blind. Holy shit. Now we're going to start with the installation, and I'm going to show you the whole works. So now we rocking nothing.
So basically the muffler end is just connecting to this pipe, and here's the exhaust tip. That's it.
Bro, what? Nah, that's gonna look fire.
Yeah.
Nah, this is crazy though. No, nothing.
Bro, that's a pipe.
It's a pipe, bro. It already looks crazy with just two of the headers, with the headers in, bro. Oh my. All right, boys, the exhaust is finally on the car, and I'm gonna show you how it looks under the car. It looks so good. The fitment and just the stainless steel just looks. Let me show y'all.
Crazy.
Oh, shit.
Crazy.
How you think? How long you think it's about to be?
Bro, we just gotta hear it.
We just gotta. All right, go.
Brake pads are here. Wait.
God, bro. Holy shit. That's crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. $1.5 for the exhaust. This thing sounds crazy. We're about to go for a spin right now. We're gonna see how it sounds. Oh my! Oh my god! Oh!
Like,
It legit sounds like an F1 car.
bro.
Alright, no, you're gonna drive. Oh shit, word?
Alright, here we go.
Oh my god. Nah, this shit sound insane.
Go down further. Go down further.
Why?
Why?
Oh my god. That's
Alright, here we go.
oh my god.
Here we go.
Let's do a slow climb.
Alright.
Why? God, that sounds crazy. It changed the car. Like,
No, bro.
Bro, wow. That was insane. Holy cow. This is Comfort Idle, by the way, guys. Alright, boys, we're back in the M4. We're about to head over to a road so we can get you outside clips, launches, revs, flybys. It's about to be insane. When I drove that thing, it was so loud. I can't imagine outside. Oh my god. It goes off the walls. That shift is crazy. Oh my god, I felt that in my soul. So boys, we have found the perfect road to get these sound clips, and let me show you. We're gonna give you some revs real quick in comfort, sport, and track, and I'll show you how it sounds. All right, so we're gonna do some comfort revs for you guys, and then we're gonna do some sport, and then some track. Oh my god, that was comfort. That was comfort. Listen to that, bro. Wow. That was comfort? That was comfort, bro. What? Alright, let me hear track. Oh, you hear the valves opening up. It's over. I apologize in advance for the neighbors. Oh my god. My ears. Listen to that. Bro, what the hell?
Track?
Yeah, what the fuck? That's crazy, bro. The spec is so beautiful, guys. Look at this, bro. Oh my god. Alright, boys. We're gonna do a launch after the exhaust. Let's see how crazy it sounds. Oh my. What the? Nah. Not. Sorry, neighbors. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my god.